What the hell is going on with these shows that start out amazing and then just... Hi and welcome to Raz Reviews. Today I'm going to be talking about Squid Game Season 3, the final season, or technically Season 2.5, because Season 2 and Season 3 is one storyline, should have been one season, should have been a lot of things. There are several issues that plague this season of Squid Game. And it's not just that the games are not as cool as before and the VIPs are super cringe, which they are. There are a lot of storylines that seem to go nowhere, that drag forever. There are multiple characters we are following. Some we care about, some we really don't, and some don't seem to be doing anything but the same thing over and over again. The other issue is that it's kind of a bummer. Like, the first season was a nihilistic look at the corruption of people and how money makes us do crazy things. But season 2 and 3 take it to the point of just being a bummer. This isn't fun to watch. The resolution of many character storylines don't seem to really matter at all. It's very, very nihilistic and in a way just not satisfying. The other big issue is character logic. Generally, characters don't behave in a logical way. So there's a lot of plot conveniences. Things are happening just so things can get worse for everyone. There's also certain things that just don't make sense. It's like written by a 13-year-old who doesn't understand anything. It's written by somebody who doesn't understand how drugs work, doesn't understand how childbirth works. It feels like a cartoon. It doesn't feel real. These people don't feel real. So I wasn't emotionally connected. Like season 1, I was so connected with those characters. When characters got eliminated, I was so upset. Upset in a good way. Like, it makes sense that they got eliminated at this point. In this season, characters get eliminated and you're like, what? Why? Our protagonist was extremely likable in the first season because he was somebody who didn't take things seriously. He was irresponsible, and he joined these games and he was punished for his behavior. Now he has come back. He's doing the games all over again, which means it's more of a redemption arc for him, maybe a rescue arc. He's going to save everybody. He's going to take down the people in charge. But most of the season, he doesn't do anything. He just sits around and mopes around, frozen and stunted, or he makes the dumbest decisions that are gonna get him and everyone around him killed. So, like, what is happening to this character? Speaking of character assassinations, then you have the detective. And it's so bad. This guy went from being a really interesting person investigating the games, and he's gonna bring it down and has a personal connection with the host. And he just spends the entirety of the season on a boat, not noticing things that are very obvious. Look, all in all, season 3 was a huge disappointment for me. I did not like it at all. It was full of bad writing, characters doing very dumb things, storyline conclusions and resolutions that are completely unsatisfying, if resolved at all. It's just a bad ending for a show. Another show with a very disappointing ending, and I'm going to give Squid Game Season 3 a 5 out of 10.